back here in Mimosa Plus Golf. Right, we were invited. Thank you very much. This is a free tournament to feature their company. So we were invited sa Third Empire Golf International. Ayan. Meet up and team up. Thank you, brother. Ayan. Aking kasama. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
3 strokes. Ayan. Thank you, brother. Alright. Free shoes. Thanks, brother. And thank you very much to my friend, Benjo. Thank you, bro, for the sponsorship for this tournament. So, for this tournament, it is here in Mimosa, specifically sa Acacia golf course. Then, the format is Mulave. So, pick up na sa triple bogey. Tapos basically it's points eh. So, every double bogey is 1 point. Bogey is 2. Par is 3. Birdie is 4. Then, eagle is 5. And, ayan, palaki lang. So, starting this tournament here in hole number 11. Okay, hole number 11. 319 yards. And ang aming mga caddy, ang aking caddy nasa gitna, si Ate Christina. Si caddy ni Benjo, si Ate Nisha and Cindy. Si Kuya Cindy. Ay! Ate Cindy. Ayan, good. Ayan. So sila ang mga caddy namin. So this is hole number 11. So it's 318 yards pala. So to carry it's dog leg right. Tapos there's water in front. So bahala na. I'm hitting a driver.
Good shot.
Oh, tumama pa.
Yun. Tama ba? Bola ba yun?
Para tumama pa sa sa puno.
Parang sa ilalim lang, sir.
Nasa Mimosa lang yan, ano?
Ilalabas ang ginagawa.
Yan, perfect. Carry. Nice shot, brother. Right in front of the tree. Okay, so for my second shot, buti tumama sa puno, buti lumabas. I'm left with 70 yards. So tirang mga 60. Aim left na lang kasi sasabit dito.
Go. Nice on.
Okay, landed on the green. Putting for birdie. Benjo. Tina. Hindi pala ganun kabili. Uy! That's good, brother.
Nice par.
Nice par.
Okay, currently I'm even par with that par. So hole number 12, 325 yards. It's slightly against the wind and slightly dog leg right. And the pin and the green is and slightly to the right. Ganda. Nice shot.
Good shot. Over. Over.
Over ba?
Yes po.
Over the bunker?
Yes po.
Okay, went a little right. Nag-cut ng konti pero over naman daw sabi ni Tina. Okay, for my second shot, I'm left with 47 yards to the flag. Right to left. Sa gitna, hindi makikita mo yung puno? Sa kanan? Sa gitna ng puno at saka flag?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Shot. Go. Nice on.
Too much right. Sa puno, nagdiretso. Putting for birdie. For birdie, right to left. One.
Inside. Birdie! Nice birdie!
Ang bilis. Benjo. I think to save par. For bogey pala. Ay, ang hina. Okay, hole number 13. First par 3, which is 185 yards. But it's also a fun hole. Okay, this is a fun hole. So set from Axel? Or these are the sponsors. So, pero the price is one golf set. So it's playing 155 yards. Downwind. So either a 9-iron or a pitching wedge. Then the price would be eto. So this is the hole-in-one price. Axel set. Oh, nice.
Yes sir.
Might hit a 9-iron from Axel.
Ito yun.
Huh? Subok natin. Benjo going for the new set. Sold! Kaliwa lang. Uy! Ano ginamit mo? With the wind din kasi.
Hey, hangin.
Okay, so sobra went left. I had to choke my tee shot. Sobra pa rin. Ganda! Beautiful, Troy. Nice shot. Just landed right. Nice one. Nice shot. Go, go! Oh, it stayed.
Go.
Ay, kaliwa.
May draw yung...
For my second shot, went over 26 yards. Double break, left, right, right to left. Pero lamang kaliwa. Bilis.
Stop.
Thank you. Just a little right for my par. Okay, I have this putt for par to stay one under, giving it left inside.
Par. Nice par.
Alright, hole number 14. That was a good up and down for par. Malapit lang niya, no? 600 yards. Ang layo. Okay, ang aim natin ate dapat over the bunker. Okay. Tapos it turns dog leg left. Okay. Go ahead, brother, if you're ready. Okay lang yan, no? Kanan lang ng konti. Sa may cart path. Sige pa, babulong pa.
Ay, sir, pagalis na naman. Ay! Okay, safe. Uy, gumulong pa.
Went there, super right. That was a terrible slice. Sobrang kanan ng fairway. The green is here, pero wala akong choice. I just need to punch out here. Mahigit 400 yards pa yun. I'm punching out lang with an 8-iron.
Lumusot. Par!
Sorry. Masyado kong pininahan. Gusto kasing mas maiksi sana eh.
Sakto na
Mas
pitch.
napahaba ulit. Tumama sa puno. Hindi ko nang tamaan mga kasama ko. Okay, I'm left with... to play safe lang, it's around 250 yards. So I'm just hitting a hybrid para hopefully nasa fairway pa rin. I found my third shot. Left with 149 yards. 45. I wanna hit a 9-iron pero natatakot ako ma-short. Kasi against the wind din. So I'm hitting a choke down 8-iron.
On. Ay, over pa, sir.
Sabi ko na gusto ko 9. Ay, takot. Thank you. Takot sobra. Thank you, sir. Natatakot kasi ako. Takot ako ma-short eh. Okay, went over. I hit an 8-iron. Okay. Masyado akong natakot. Sobrang sobra. I'm 50 yards to the pin left to right.
Go.
Sobrang short. Takot na takot sa downhill.
Stop.
Okay, that's for double bogey already. Just to save 1 point. This is for my double bogey. Parang left inside nga pwede. Na firm paakyat. Uy! No.
Ay, lumabas pa.
Nice putt, brother. Okay, that was a very terrible triple bogey. So ibig sabihin no points. So hole number 15, it's a par 3, playing 140 yards, slightly with the wind. So I'm hitting a pitching wedge. Beauty. Beautiful shot. Nice shot, Choi.
Uy! Parang bumaba.
Went right. Sana hindi naman ako nag-bunker. Ganda. Ay, nag-draw sa dulo. Little left of the green, pero patong. And unfortunately, I'm in the bunker. So little more room to work with. Left to right, ano?
Yes po. Stop. Nice out.
Okay, Benjo for birdie. Medyo malayo. Lakas, brother. Napitik. Pasok. Ang lakas lang.
Yes po.
No? Uphill. O dagdagan? Inside lang.
Ay!
Benjo. First par. 4 points. Uy. Okay. That was another bogey. Hole number 16. 489 yards. All you have to do is avoid that water on the left. It might be gettable. So the play might be aiming for that light post in the middle. Yeah, the third, yeah, that middle part. That might be where I should aim.
Ay!
Nandun na naman ako sa kanan. Draw. Sige pa. Turn pa. Good shot, brother. For my second shot, the green is dyan, left of that post. So I'm just taking my medicine, or at least play smart. Aim for dito sa gitna na yan. It's 200 yards dapat dun sa may red stick. Pero palang mga baka sumabit ako sa puno. Hitting lang 7 iron.
Uy! Safe lang yun, sir. 4!
I went right. Hindi pala parang I went right sa may bunker. Okay, for my third shot, I'm left with 100 yards against the wind. Hi, Rory! Against the wind. So hitting a choke down 56-degree wedge. So hopefully I can aim right off the pin. Parang yun yung pinaka-safe bet. Ay, kaliwa naman.
Oh, nice! Gumupo.
Ganda rin pala. Okay na. I have that putt for birdie. Nag-carry na ako sa may butas. Okay, I have this putt for birdie. Uy, sayang. Right to left, 6 paces uphill. Ganda! Uy!
Birdie mo. Go! Nice par. Ang birdie.
Duwag. Okay, hole 17. Course management, Luigi. Course management. Don't go for it. That was a good par, sayang. So this one is playing, hindi ko pala naalala. So just aim for that bunker sa right. Mahirap to go for it. Then there's water or there's trouble sa left side. Okay, those bunkers are right. Yan yung pinakamalayo. It's 220. So subok lang course management using a 4-iron. Draw! Draw! Ay, okay lang yata yan? Okay lang naman yan, ano? Kanan.
Good shot. Over yan. Oo, before. Ay, gumulong.
Carried. Sana hindi umabot sa bunker. Okay, left with 100 yards uphill. This might not be a good decision. Dapat yata 56 pero bahala na.
Okay, nice on.
Thank you. Good decision. Okay, walang sisihan sa amin ni Tina. Pating birdie. Okay, this is for birdie. Pasok! What a shot! Kitang-kita sa video. Lakas, hindi bumali.
Walang bali.
Hindi, lakas din.
Look, yeah. Ako very deep. Yeah. Here, almost didn't do this.
It's not that slow. Yours was very slow. Mali. Wala pang kasiguraduhan to. Ay, wala ka talaga.
Uy, ganda ng brakes sa doon. Wala nang pupuntahan eh. Okay.
Nice par.
Kinabahan pa ako. Buti na lang I was able to save par. Hole 18, 289 yards. Might not be drivable. Yan, so straight na, little left. This is perfect if you can draw the golf ball. Ganda, yan, pwede yan. Little right lang. Uy, naiwan. Okay lang yan, playable pa rin yan.
Par! Par! Okay. Same par.
Okay, my tee shot went super right. I'm left with 103 yards to the flag. I'm hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Medyo downwind naman.
On mo. Beautiful.
Okay, just landed right. I think I'm still putting for birdie.
The hole. Par. Nice par.
Okay, hole number 1. 379 yards. This is a dog leg right. So the pin in the green is in this area. Play is to aim for those bunkers lang, middle of those bunkers. So the play pala is that bunker, yan sa middle. That's 240 yards. So pwedeng i-shortcut dito. Naku, huwag ka sasabit. Breakfast ball. Okay lang, safe brother, fairway.
Good shot.
Talon!
Ay.
3 points!
Masok? So, diniwalang ko.
Saudi Arabia.
3 points! Ay, nakasaktong-sakto sa bunker. Kulang sa right. Pero at least, maliit na cut na lang. Okay. for my second shot. Landed in the bunker. Left with 120 yards. Ate, pitching! Hitting a pitching wedge. Better long than short. Kasi may bunker ulit sa harap.
On. Nice on. Nice on. Birdie chance.
Okay, pating birdie. Ganun, dumikit pa nga eh. Parang pinay. Okay, come on, Luigi. Okay, 13 paces for birdie. Sa harap mukhang double break. We're just giving it straight na 13. Pasok! Oh! Palayo! Bale, baliktad. Mahina. Okay, I have this spot for par.
Nice par. Muntik pa lumabas.
Nakita ko na, parang gusto ko tagdagan nga eh. Okay, hole number 2. 300 yards. Okay, so this is hole number 2. 300 yards. Hitting a driver. Aim for the flag na. Wag lang ma-pull. Draw. Kanan lang ng konti.
Good shot. Uy. Before.
Huh?
Before lang yun.
Before the bunker rots.
Yes.
Mukha eh, parang bunker eh. Wag lang sana gumulong. Hindi ko pinapadraw yun. And then just second shot. Bite mo. Patong. Nice shot! Nice shot! Very unfortunate. Parang pwede sana mapatong. Oh. Pin high. 15 yards. Very difficult stance. No green to work with. Makakadikit pa ang bola sa fairway. Hindi ko alam kung gagawin ko rito. Bahala na. Dasalan mo na lang ate.
Right.
Lakas. Stop.
Talagang wala akong swing.
Pwedeng tayo dyan.
Not bad.
Lakasan na ng loob. Napakatapang. Okay, at least patong pa rin. I have this spot for birdie. Ilan ulit yung bilang ko? Hindi ko maalala. 12 yata.
Pababa siya, sir, ah. Bali, bali. Par. Sa loob lang pala, no, sir?
Uy, mali. Okay, hole number 3. It's a fun hole. Playing 115 yards. Pero tingnan natin kung ilan talaga sa mount. Okay. Alright, so hole in one prize, set of tires. Pero we need to use yung mga Titleist clubs. So you choose lang whichever hole there. Pero for the hole in one prize, it's the one in the middle. Which is 120. Naku, na bola. Go, go, go! Left, bite. Patong pala. Nice shot. Nice shot.
Half ball nga eh. Shot!
Go, go, go. Malakas naman yung hangin.
Wow.
Thank you, brother.
Wow!
There you go. Okay, nice shot. Nice shot. Good choice.
Wow. Sakto.
Dunk! Dunk!
Okay, nice on.
Bahala na kung ano dalawa sa
Kasi dami ng target. Sir,
Thank you, coach. Okay. In between those pins. Okay, everyone. Kanya-kanyang butas na kami. So I have the spot for birdie. 6 paces. Maliit lang, left and side. Pero uphill. Pero yung damo eh. Sige, isang bola ko na.
Lucky bird! Isang bola. Ay, yung ano ate, tama ka ako itong bola.
Par. Ayaw talaga. Par.
Okay, hole number 4. That was another par, 378 yards. So this hole is dog leg left. So the aim is to go over that bunker kasi the green is in this area.
Mr. Choi getting better, ha?
Good shot.
Nice shot.
Hey,
Pareho
okay
tayo.
lang.
Ay, flower bed pala yan.
Hindi.
Okay lang, safe mo.
Okay lang, sir.
Okay, plastic. Open.
Yun
Yes,
ang magandang, ano, magandang fairway finder. Yung ganun lang ako.
Pero naka-aim ako dun sa flower bed. Diba, kanan ng flower bed. Ay, went to. Yan ang advantage of maluwag na fairway. Landed there. Okay, left with 145 yards, 49 yards to the flag. With the wind, I'm considering hitting a pitching wedge. Play it short.
On mo. On mo yan. All in one. Ay! Okay lang. Bumalik yun, sir.
Sumobra po 150 pitching.
Batas.
With the wind din kasi. Sana. Okay, pumatong naman. Ganda ng linya. Might be a little over back of the green. Very difficult putt. Ito yung iniiwasan ko to go over. Pero sumobra pa rin. So it's tirang 18. Let it die down. Trickle left to right. Pero it's 23 paces. Pero palong mga dito ko lang siguro susubukan pababain. Yan, tapos trickle it down.
Go. Down. Down. Pasok. Stop.
Okay na, okay. Masaya na ako dyan.
Par.
Masaya na ako dyan. Okay, that might be parable. Okay.
Nice par.
Okay, hole number 5. 83 yards. Okay. It is a fun hole. Longest drive. So I think, yan, so where Rory is, the GM of Mimosa. Yan. But the green is to the right. Dogleg right. Yan. The pin is, the green is in that area. And so if you can fade the golf ball, that would be perfect. Parang the aim is, yan, where Rory is. Scottish? Yeah, perfect fade. Kaso inangin eh. Inangin. Nice shot!
Kaya. Good shot. Uy, di mabot.
Halatang sinubukan.
May
iri. Oh, par 5. Okay, fairway naman. Pero baka gettable in 2 yun. Safe na safe. Good shot, brother. Grabe, ang ganda na ng drive ko. Pero I'm still, iniwan pa rin ako ng longest drive by 43 yards. Okay lang, bahala na. Okay, going for it. Second shot left with 180 yards. Playing it short and right. He was too big. Hitting a 7 iron.
Playing safe.
Okay na, masaya na ako dyan.
Wow. It's okay.
Sabi ko naman kanan eh. Okay, kanan nga ng green. Hopefully I can go up and down for birdie. Right of the green. Chipping na yan, chipping. That was a good second shot. Just a little right, which I was aiming for right naman talaga. 19 yards to the flag. So tirang mga 15. No green to work with. Subukan kong pabagsakin dyan sa may dito sa mount na yan.
Gulong. Ay, na short.
Kulang lang ng 1 foot nga eh. Masayang masaya ako sa babagsakan. Sayang. This is to go up and down for par. Sana Chipinski for birdie.
Pasok. Par. Ay.
Okay, hole number 3. It's playing 170 something. It is a fun hole for a golf cart. But look how scary the pin placement is. You need to carry the green talaga kasi there's water in front where the pin is. Pero at least it's with the wind. Pero if you get a hole in one, it's a golf cart, club car hole in one. Baka naman with the wind. Hirap ng tira niya. Ay naku, nag-draw. Laki ng draw. Laki ng draw.
Kaliwa. Okay. Nice one.
Okay, let's do it all right. Pwede. Beauty. Ay, sumabit pa dun sa dulo na yun. Okay lang, fairway.
Up and down.
Draw.
Parang over the top pero diretso.
Over. Very long birdie putt. Birdie chance. 27 paces. Right to left. Hopefully I can hit this close for par.
Yeah, go, balik. Pasok. Yes, par. Easy par.
Okay, hole number 7. That was a very good par. Sobrang happy ako dun sa par na yun. Ang tayo, 30 feet. Buti lang. So hole number 7, 290 yards. So it's slightly dog leg right if I remember correctly. And the aim is to go over that bunker. It's 250 yards. So a little left of that. So aim lang pala sa center of the fairway, middle of the fairway. Yan. Ganda. Perfect shot. Nice shot. Beauty.
Good shot.
Carry mo, please.
Before?
Hindi pumasok sa bunker. Hindi ko nakita. Too much fade. I have no choice but to get it over dito sa puno na to. Pero it's 120 yards pa. So talagang short na lang. I'm thinking na if I should hit a 56 or a 60 degree wedge with a pin to go over this tree. Lapit lang niya eh.
Wow. On. Yes.
Pasok pa rin, okay. Angat kagad. I'm pot. That is my pot for birdie. Yeah. Okay, 12 paces for birdie. Left to right. Pero uphill. Uphill tas pababa sa harap. So para tirang regular lang. Okay, 12. Gano'n kalaki sa kaliwa?
Two balls. Birdie! Ay! Pababa, sabi ko na sir, pa yung dulo eh.
Sayang, di ko pa nakuha yung birdie. So hole number 8. If you're still watching this video, I would appreciate you still watching. Thank you very much for all your support. So hole number 8 is 375 yards. This is where my caddy wanted to save my mulligan. I remember before, I used a driver and also a 3-wood. Hindi pwede. May possibility sumubra dun. So, baka ngayon, I will try a hybrid to hit it lang where the players are. Kasi the green is here to the right. So, dog leg right. That's my water before the green. Ganda, kaliwa lang. Kaliwa.
Yun, good shot. Okay yan, sir. Doon lang. Fairway.
For my second shot, I'm left with 155 yards to the flag. Hitting a 9 iron.
Go. Dikit. Uy, stop. Stop. Go, bro.
Lumakas talaga yung distance ko nung nagpa-fit ako. Tsaka yung workout. Okay, left with 33 yards. Left to right. I'll try to nip a 60-degree wedge.
Pasok. Stop.
Sorry nagdibot eh. Okay, that is for my par. Okay, I have this for putt for par. I'm giving it 1 cup. Yan kung saan yung pitch mark. Ay!
Like that. Bogey.
Okay, hole number 9. First bogey after a long time. 474 yards. Ito, baka gettable tong par 5 na to. Alright, so again, thank you very much, Benjo. Shout out to you, brother. Thank you very much for the invite and for having me here. Sobrang generous na itong tournament na to. Really appreciate it. If you're watching, I would really love for everyone to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all your support. Thank you very much. Because of all of you guys, this is happening now. So I really appreciate you. So I hope to meet up and team up with you. Just message me if you're interested to play. So thank you very much again. See you at the fairways. Nice shot. Last 2 holes. And so this is hole number 9. This is the part 5. Very straight up naman siya. Ayan, diretso lang. So the aim is just to avoid those bunkers sa right. Aim lang for that. Aim for the fairway here sa left.
Parang lumungkot si Huli lang gigil.
Good shot. Go. Okay. Very good shot.
That was a very good drive. Yan, carried the bunker dyan. Parang pwede no 175 yards eh. Hitting an 8 iron with the wind to go 2 on if ever. No? Parang
Yes,
pwede
po.
naman.
Nag-right. It's okay. Diyan lang. Okay. Doon lang po yun, sir.
Dibot ko, tama eh.
Kaso yung club mo.
Na-open ko. First super terrible shot. Super open. Slice. Open na open siya. Buntik pa nga yata mag-shank. Buta na lang. Pero pin high pa rin siya oh. Sayang. Okay. I'm left with 42 yards. Right to left. To go up and down for potentially a birdie.
Go down. Okay. Nice one.
Birdie chance. Birdie chance. Birdie chance. Come on, Luigi. Shoot mo naman na yan, Luigi. Basahin mo na kasi, Tina. Joke lang. Abot. Abot. Pasok. Ay! Bumigay! I have the spot for birdie.
Okay na yung dalawa.
Right to left. May bali, no? I'm giving it 1 cup, right?
Birdie! Yes.
Okay, that was a good birdie. Hole number 10, last hole. 320 yards. Hopefully may chance ako dito sa tournament na to. I still have my last mulligan from the tournament. Again, thank you very much to my brother, Benjo, by the major sponsor. So this is straight up lang naman siya, 320. So the play is, since I fade the golf ball, aim a little here. Pero yan, dito dapat. Driver hole. May tubig lang doon sa may mga puno na yun. Pero malayo na yun. Mas maganda yung ceremonial tee off. Pero okay lang yan.
Okay na. Okay.
Wala sa pero eh. Okay. I had to take my last mulligan. Went left. Ito na naman tayo. May puno na naman sa harap. 95 yards to the flag. Mukhang left right ba yan? Hindi. Pero diretso na lang sa pin. Nakakatakot mag ano. Okay. Hitting a 60-degree wedge.
Go. Sakto. Okay. Nice on. Birdie. Chance.
Okay na, basta mapark ko na. Hindi naman na siguro magdo-double bogey yan. Okay, putting for birdie again. Just a recap. So if I make this putt for birdie, this will tie my best round sa mga tournament, which is 2 over. Although the tournament is Mulabi system, sa points siya. Hindi ko na na-monitor yung points, pero you'll see na lang my points now. So if I make this is another, if I'm not mistaken, 5 points yata ang birdie. Pero malayo pala. But still, hopefully I can make this part easy. Hopefully hindi na mag-bogey. No more 3 putts. Okay. Very long putt. Well, long putt. 12 paces. Left to right. Parang I'm giving it half a grip.
Birdie. Ay! Par. Easy par.
Dalawang ganun yun. Nice birdie! Nice one, Choi. Got that on camera. Nice putt. Nice birdie. Pasok din! Lakas, brother. Ay, sayang na.
Ito bumalo.
Choi, it was a pleasure meeting you.
For the win, for the
Si
win.
Joel, thank you.
For the win.
Brother, thank you. Thank you, Benjo. Shout out to you, brother.
Men's Class A.
Alright, our runner-up with a total of 56 points.
It's a lot.
Let's call our winner, Mr. Greg Campbell.
56 points.
Let's now call in our champion with a total of 56 points also. Let's call on Mr. Ruel Brack. Congratulations, our champion, Class A.
Nice shot.